Cables laid across the Atlantic seabed connected the continents through the telegraph and Morse code. Messages converted to electric telegraph signals were sent across the Atlantic via the undersea cables. Maintaining these cables was not an easy task. The ship on which this animation is based, Mackay-Bennett, was a cable ship, one of several Halifax-based ships that were responsible for repairing broken cables in the western North Atlantic. When a signal became distorted or completely lost, an electrical test was conducted to determine the rough location of the break or fault. A cable ship was dispatched to the latitude and longitude coordinates to repair the cable. It would then plan to make several passes over the area of ocean where the broken cable lay. The grapnel was lowered and dragged across the ocean bed as many times as necessary until it hooked the cable. Once the cable was hooked by the grapnel, the crew brought it to the surface. After conducting another electrical test to further verify the location of the break, the cable was cut and a mark buoy and mushroom anchor were attached to the first end of the broken cable. The buoy, anchor, and cable were then lowered back into the water. The cable ship then steamed along the route of the cable beyond where the break was thought to be. Using the same process, the grapnel was dragged along the seabed until the second end of the cable was found. This time, the end of the cable was brought on board and the cable crew spliced on a new section of cable. Once spliced, test signal was sent to confirm the cable worked. The ship then turned around and, laying the new cable all the way, steamed back to the mark buoy holding the first end of the broken cable. The mark buoy was retrieved and brought aboard. The new cable was connected to the end of the original cable, and a final test signal was sent to verify the newly spliced cable had been repaired. The newly repaired cable was then carefully laid back down onto the ocean floor. The cable ship steamed for Halifax, its home port, until the next repair was needed.